Nearpod is a website that allows teachers to create their own interactive lessons. To get started, you'll go to nearpod.com and sign up for free. It allows you to sign up with email, Google, or with Office. I am signing up with Google. It allows you to explore your other lessons or create your own. It is free if you create your own. It allows you to add a slide or upload a PowerPoint. I decided to upload a PowerPoint. This is what it looks like once you upload a PowerPoint. I decided to add activities throughout the slides to engage the students. You can continue to add more slides or more activities. Activities include open-ended questions, matching pairs, quizzes, draw it, collaborate, ask a poll, fill in the blanks, or a memory test. This is how I created my own interactive lesson. Thanks for watching.